Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design this beautiful Happy New Month design flyer in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video like this. Also like this video, share it with your friend, and also comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Thank you for doing so. In few minutes time now, we get this thing done. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's get in started. So we start by giving our project a name, and we are going to name it October. We will go by these settings. When you are done with that, then you click on create. Alright, so we firstly work on the background, and this the we are going to pick from this. I'm going to select the color here, so I'm going to work with this background. Alright, awesome. So let's go to our gallery. Let's import the image, and this is the image we are going to be using. Drag it in, insert it here. Click on that. So I will firstly remove the background. So go to select object. Alright, then mask. Click on mask here. Remove the background. I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to convert it to smart objects. So I will scale it a bit. Now I want to work on this particular image. So I'll go to filter, go to camera raw filter. I'm going to increase the contrast. I will increase the exposure, because I want to add more light into it. Then vibrance, increase the vibrance and the clarity. Alright, I'm done with that. I click on OK. Alright, I like it like this. So before we move further, let's duplicate the background, and I'm going to change the color to this type part. Okay, and I'm going to right click on it. I'll convert it to smart object. Go to filter, go to noise. I'm going to add noise to it. So I'm cool with this. I'll click on OK. If I like, let me reduce the opacity. Okay. So you can just off this one for now. Let me go to click on this. Let's create a new layer here. After creating a new layer, press B on our keyboard. Then I'm going to increase the size of our brush. I'm going to increase the flow to 100. So I'm going to tab on this side. You can copy the color code. This is the color code of the foreground color. As you can see, 00B483. 00B483. So you can copy the color code So this is the color code I'm working with, and you tap on this side twice. Awesome. Then let me unhide this. So I will hide this at the one that had blur to it. So I'm cool with this. So let's proceed. What we are going to do next, go to our gallery again. Let's import this image. Now I'm going to drag it at the back of this. Awesome. So let's still go back to our gallery again and let's import this. I want to be under this layer. Let's increase it. Let's make a bit adjustment to our design. Awesome, we are done arranging our design, and let's work on this on white. What we are going to do is just to add a blur, more motion blur to it. Shouldn't be too much, so let's make it 6 or 5. It's okay like this. Awesome. So let's work on this image. Let's go to edit, and I'm going to flip it horizontally. Edit, transform, and transform, flip horizontally. So it's going to be like this. So let's work on the background so that I can group it. Background, let's go to the background, let's go to our gallery, and we are going to drag this one in. Let's drag it in. Let's drag it here. I think I'm cool with this. So let me hide all these things. I'm going to unhide it later so I can see what we are working on. So we are going to mask this. Click on mask and be on our keyboard. Then we are going to erase all these parts. I'm not needing it. So let's unhide it. I made a mistake here. There's a part that is supposed to show, but it's not showing, so I want to correct that here. So I think I'm fine with this. So I want the lighting to show up there. Awesome. So let's proceed. Awesome. Let's group our design. Let's group them. Let's start from this. Ctrl G. So we name this one background BG. Before we proceed, I'm going to work on this. Let's create a new layer. Be on our keyboard. Then I'm going to tap on this side. I place the layer after this white background, that white cloth. So double tap on this. just once, Ctrl Z, and I think I'm cool with this. So just use this lighting to cover that space. So I'm cool with that. So let's start working on the image. So let's start from this particular guy. So what we are going to do, go to the solid color, then now I'm working with this foreground color light. So click OK, and I'm going to right click on it, create a clipping mask. So I want the effect to be on this particular image. So after I'm done with that, you can see the color is directly on the image. So what I'm going to work with is to press Ctrl I to invert it, Ctrl I to invert, and bring out our brush. So I want to create an highlight around the image and the head of the image. What will I do? Be on our keyboard, then I'm going to reduce the size. I'm going to increase this. I'm going to zoom in. Let's increase the size of the. Then I'm going to reduce the flow to 50 or 49. Okay. I'm going to reduce the size of the brush. Just follow up. I'm going to fast forward this part in order not to waste time. Alright. Just make sure you do a perfect job so that your work can be neat. And if you don't like it, you can as well redo or reduce the opacity. And reduce the opacity just to make it necessary correction. I'm going to leave the opacity at 70. One more thing, let's go to our adjustment layer again, and let's go to brightness and contrast. So I'm going to increase the brightness to this, something like this. So go back, then I'm going to create a clipping mask so that I can affect the only this alone. I'm going to invert as well, so I can make proper adjustments by myself. So let me increase this. I'm going to lighten this place. Awesome. I think the way I created my highlight here is not perfect, so I will carefully redo it now just to make sure that the work looks perfect. Awesome. I think this one is manageable and we are good to go. So we are going to do the same to this one as well, to this lady here. So go to our solid color. So adjustment layer, go to solid color, Then we are going to click OK. We're going to invert it. I'll create a clipping mark, then Ctrl I to invert. Ctrl I to invert. So we do the same here. Increase brush, then we are going to increase it. So this side. I think with this we are good to go. So let's group our work. Let's group it and we are going to name it image. Alright, so let's work on our text. In order to save time, I've worked on it here, so I'm going to drag the text. I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. Ctrl T. I'm going to move it to this side. Exactly here. So let me show you the font that I use for the text. This welcome, this is the font that I use. Orthography Personal. So this is the font that I use for the text, and for the welcome, for the October. This is the font that I use for the October. Although I'm going to send the one, I'm going to send the font. I'm going to attach it to the Boven. So Boven is the font that I use. So I'm going to attach it. So this one is Montserrat. This particular one is Montserrat. So these are the fonts that I use. This one is this. So let's move on. Let's go back to our background. Let's drag something. Let's go to our gallery again. And we are going to drag it in. I'm going to press Shift on my keyboard. I'm going to rotate it like this. Make sure it's in 90 degrees. Awesome. I'm going to increase it. Awesome. Increase it like this. I go to the blend mode. I'm going to change it to overlay. So I'm going to mask it. Yeah, be on our keyboard. I'm going to remove this part. I'm going to increase it. So I'll change it to black. The foreground color to black to remove all these parts. So change the flow to 100%. I'm going to reduce the opacity. It's supposed to be here. I'm going to reduce the opacity. Some, yes. I'm cool with this. Awesome. Nice. So we are moving towards the end of everything. One more thing, what we are going to do next is to go to our gallery again, and we are going to drag this in, drag it here. We are going to move it to this side. I don't know the reason why my system used to be slow. Anytime I'm recording, I'm designing, it used to be slow. So please just bear it with me and click OK. So we are going to do 1, 2. We are going to blur it, add Gaussian blur to it. Let's just increase it to, yeah, 8. Leave it like that, and let's Ctrl M to bring out our curve. We want to add more contrast to it, so that's why I'm using this. I want to give it more contrast. Yeah, exactly. So click OK, and I'm moving it to the side. Ctrl G to duplicate, and I'm going to drag it here. Drag it here. Let's edit. Let's go to edit. Let's go to transform, then flip horizontal. Yeah, fine. So we are good with this. We are good. Let's group it. Ctrl G to group, and actually means balloon. Alright. So let's give our work a finishing touch. So what you are going to do, you are going to measure this design together. Press Alt Ctrl Shift E on your keyboard to measure everything. Then we go to camera raw to do the finishing work. Go to filter, go to camera raw filter. Oh, as you can see, the highlight is too much here. So always be careful when you are doing your highlights. It's too much at this side for my own part. So what we are going to do now, we are going to merge all our design together. And to do that, we are going to press Alt Ctrl Shift E on our keyboard to merge all our designs together. And it has created another new image. So what we are going to do is to press Ctrl Shift or go to our camera raw, go to filter and go to camera raw filter to do the conclusion, to perfect our work there. Awesome. So what we are going to do, we are going to tint this side. Nice. Then go to the contrast. We are going to give it more contrast. Increase the contrast. Then the highlight, we're using it. Let's do it. Awesome. And go to clarity and give it more clarity. Vibrance, we are going to increase the vibrance. I want it to pop up, the image and the design to pop up. And saturation little, just a little. Then we go to color mixer. Go to color mixer. Then the green, we are going to increase the green, yes, and this one as well. Alright, as you can see our design is popping up. Then go to the effect. I'm just going to darken the part this side just a little. As you can see, it's too much like this. We are going to leave it at 20, 22, it's fine. Then details, we are going to sharpen it. Alright, and for me, I'm cool with this, so click on OK. Awesome. So you can see there's a big difference, this before and this after. So to give it a finishing touch, we are going to duplicate this, or we press Shift Ctrl Alt to merge our design again, or you can as well duplicate this. So what you are going to do is to go to the blending option and give it a soft light. As you can see, the contrast has pop up and I like the way it is now. So our design is good and we are good to go. With this, we come to the end of today's tutorial, and I hope you are able to gain value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach more audience. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.